Ugh. Well, I'm gonna show you the damage this ice. We had freezing rain yesterday. Look what this freezing rain does to our trees. Look at this. This thing's completely destroyed now. Look at all the limbs down. Oh, look at the limbs in my pool. There's a big branch up there, broken as well. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch back there too. Let's see if I can get back there. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, there's a huge one back there. Oh, I gotta get a chainsaw, I guess. Look up there, that broken one up there. The front yard's full too. It's cold out here. I'll go in the front yard now. Hold on. Ugh, if I don't break my neck. Oh, there's one there. Can't stand the weight. Oh, look at the one almost going to fall on your car. I got one on the other side of a car that fell. Yeah, I saw that. Ooh, that looks close to coming down on her car. Look at the ice. The ice. Oh. Wow, front yard's really bad. Look at here. That probably fell on my car. Oh, it's freezing out here. Looks like I got some